The average household spends around 70 hours every year mowing their lawn. 70 hours. Imagine what you could do if you had all that free time back again. Well, very soon you won't have to imagine that. We are Elite Robotics, and we are building the next generation of automated products to enter your household, starting with the autonomous lawnmower, a hassle-free, time-saving solution to mowing your lawn. So we've done hundreds of customer interviews, and we found the overwhelming consensus is that most people absolutely loathe mowing their lawn. And right now, you either have to just put up with it and do it yourself, or you can pay someone else to do it. But now we're giving you a third option. Introducing Lucy. Our smart lawnmower uses sophisticated guidance navigation and control algorithms, similar to those found in driverless cars, to safely and reliably mow your lawn whilst keeping your kids and your pets safe. So there are 4 main competitors in our space: Victor, Honda, John Deere, and Husqvarna. Out of all these competitors, Victor are the only ones that aren't building semi-autonomous lawnmowers. Now, Honda, John Deere, and Husqvarna, their systems aren't as fully autonomous as yet, as I'll explain shortly, but in addition to that, they're designed for other climates, such as in Europe, that are able to cut finer grass, whereas our solution is more climatized to the Australian climate and can deal with the tough buffalo grass that we have here. So if we have a look at your typical yard, you usually have your house and you have some sort of pavement that obviously doesn't have any grass on it, and you may have a tree or two around your yard, which we could denote by this green circle. So the other lawnmowers that exist on the market require that you have to construct a perimeter wire around your yard. This is costly, time-consuming, and difficult to set up. In addition to that, they work in a very similar way to how Roombas work, where they randomly mow around and over a period of time expect to be able to mow all your yard. But what usually happens is they leave patches of grass unmowed and they overmow in certain areas. Our sophisticated sensor configuration allows us to pre-plan a path that ensures all your lawn is mowed. It also allows us to be able to detect trees before it touches them and move around them. So there are 2 main markets that we are targeting with this product. There's the commercial market and the consumer market. For this case, we're using golf courses because that's our initial primary target. And golf courses spend approximately $1.7 million every year on course maintenance. That's up to 33% of their total cash flow. Globally, this equates to $5.8 billion. The consumer market, people spend $38.1 billion annually over the entire globe on lawn mowing services. Australia makes up 8% of this market at $3 billion, and we believe that autonomous mowing solutions can take up to 1% of this market over the next 5 years, which equates to the potentially $30 million in revenue. So our goal is to start off with the commercial market so that we can build a product and ensure its product safety while we're actually developing our system. And in that process, we want to optimize our production so that when we actually begin to sell it to consumers, we can do it at a suitable price point that they can afford. So far, we've got 60 email subscribers that are waiting to purchase our product when it's released. We've got a large social media presence. We've also been pitching competition finalists in a few local pitching competitions. We've been a part of the regional incubator program in our local region, and this has allowed us to be able to leverage partnerships with both the local councils in our area to trial our product, our local university, as well as a golf course where we're going to be beginning trials in the next 2 months. We've also received the state government MVP grant. Our team started off with just 3 people. Myself, a mechatronics honours graduate from Newcastle University, Nathan Bartlett, who's also a mechatronics graduate, currently undertaking his PhD in outdoor localization. We also have an industrial designer, Luke Dubbo, and over the last 9 months, we've been able to grow our team, hiring an additional engineer. We have another engineer doing work experience for us, and we have a marketing team and a web development team that are helping us out. So our product started with a concept sketch, and right now, we're in the process of building our proof of concept, leading up to our MVP that we're going to be trialing in a couple of months. From there, we're going to build a high-level prototype that's going to get us ready to be able to manufacture our product. So the 3 main things that we really need for a project like this requires a significant capital injection. In addition to that, we're also going to need assistance with manufacturing because this is not an area that we have expertise in. Furthermore, we're hoping that through this competition, we can leverage Australia Post logistics capabilities as well as some of their partners, such as AliExpress, to distribute our product not only nationally but globally as well. So if you think you can help us out with any of these areas, we've placed our business cards in all of your goodie bags here tonight, and the judges, we've placed our business cards on all your tables. In addition to that, for anyone viewing online, you can have a look at our Facebook page, our website, our LinkedIn and our Twitter accounts to follow us and contact us if you think you can help us with this. As the world becomes more complex, we need to find ways of simplifying everyday life. Robotics can help us achieve this goal, and it all begins with our autonomous lawnmower. So tell me, are you ready to join the robotic revolution? Yeah! Thank you.